Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, Metamon. In today's video, I'm going to go in great detail and show you the story, the milestone, the features, and the team behind this particular project. The website is metamongo.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. So without further ado, let's start with the review for this absolutely brilliant play to earn NFT, Metamon GO. So what is Metamon? If you come into the metaverse of Metamon, you can enter the amount you would like to purchase, and Metamon GO is 2,500 trainers who are sold out right now with 10,000 Metamon mintables with a pre-sale of 14th May at 10 p.m. with a public sale on 15th of May at 10 p.m. and 10,000 Metamons in the game to catch and 300 legendary dragons that want to go wild. And the token is based on the Ethereum blockchain, and the reveal date for the trainers and the Metamons is going to be the 22nd of May 2022. So what is Metamon all about? The Jarga Media is an international gaming and entertainment group who is powered by building creative and incubating innovation. They are home to an expansive group of professionals and industry leading experts all across the avenues from interactive entertainment, software and application to game development, cybersecurity, VFX, art and animation. So basically, Metamon is the top tier battle and tournament game with an online blockchain game that is set in the virtual country Metamon GO, where players skillfully use in-game characters called Metamons to battle each other and win prizes in real money in Ethereum. The play-to-earn game allows players to earn virtual plot of land as NFTs and build facilities like gyms in order to host tournaments and also earn real money in Ethereum through that means. So clearly the strategy that they've developed is very clear, that they are giving individuals the chance not to just own an NFT but actually use that NFT to actually create passive incomes for themselves. And there are different ways that you can create passive income, either be playing the game itself or getting NFT lands or actually building facilities and hosting tournaments. In every means you actually earn money. Their vision, which I absolutely love, is the fact that the Metamon is simple. The aim is to create the largest and highest quality game the NFT space has ever seen, and the aim is to build a virtual metaverse where you can play with your friends, battle and train Metamons, trade items, own lands, and build your gym and customize your virtual characters. Endless experience awaits you, and typically the project at this stage takes at least 2 to 3 years to go from concept to the final product, but they've slated the full release of the game in the third quarter of 2022. The expected increase in funding from their mint strategy, which is absolutely brilliant, and they're able to speed up the process and complete development by early as the second quarter of 2022 with the alpha release as early as the second quarter ends. So basically the backstory, which I absolutely love about this, is that the way they've developed the Metamon and the way they've developed the characters, they're giving them a soul, they're giving them a personality, they're giving them a character, and having that kind of NFT developed and using that NFT in the methodology that they have given is absolutely brilliant. They have combined all those elements together and created something which is quite unique, and developing it in this manner and creating a strategy of this nature, they'll be able to scale this to a level that no other play to earn game has scaled to, because a lot of games will use different strategies which are not usually that effective. Guys, if you are investing in any NFT, you got to remember some basic things, such as that who are the people behind this? Why is this particular game, play to earn game or NFT, so sought out after? And how are they gonna give me a return on my investment? And that is the reason why I have done a lot of reviews of different NFTs and play to earn games that are available on my channel that I personally feel have got the potential to give a return on investment to the user. So you can head over to my channel, The Educational Network, and check it out. I rely on feedback from you guys to make sure that the information I'm getting to you guys is helpful and useful so you understand it and actually can invest based on that information. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. So basically, looking at the rarity is quite something unique. So you have the Metamon GO, which is one of a kind. It's different and unique, and the rarities of the NFTs are based and used with 150 traits in their Metamon artwork. You can click below and check each one of them out, and that is why I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my channel. You can go over there and check the website out as well. So you have the Metamons, the earnings, the backgrounds, the clothing, the bodies, the eyes, the earwears, the mouth, the mask, and the nose. So you have a small sneak peek of what the game is going to be like and how you can earn from it, which is displayed right now, and you can check it out why it's going to be so sought after. So breaking down of the Metamon gaming model is quite nice. You have your lands, you have your gyms, you have your Metamons, you have your Metaballs, you have your trainers, and each of the way they develop this, they have a full strategy in place where they have the Metamons, who are the avatars that are used in the games for battle and tournaments. Then you have your NFT plots that are purchased. Players can build gyms on their land or organize tournaments or battles. And obviously by the end of it, if for example if the gym owners earn a lot of money, which is 20% of the accumulated money, the winners of the tournament will also receive an earning, which will be like 40% for the first place, 20% for the second place, and 10% for the third place, 6% for the fourth place, and 4% for the fifth place. So basically they're breaking it down, but everyone gets a share of the cake. No one person eats the whole cake, and that is why you have the variants of the Metamons available in the NFT in the game. You'll need the Metaballs to catch the Metamons in the metaverse, and these Metaballs will also be available as non-fungible tokens. So basically the trainers will also be sold in the game as NFTs, and these are the game items that help you fight with the Metamons and catching many Metamons with a Metaball. And an add-on is that every NFT caught in the game can still be used to earn money by putting them on sales on OpenSea.io. Just imagine the way they've developed their strategy and the way they've executed their strategy such in a successful way that they've clearly given an indication what will happen, how it will happen, and how it will be executed. With the legendary dragons win 90% of all battles against the normal Metamons, and the dragon holders also receive 100 stable coins daily, which is equal to $100 each day. This may become more in the future, but never less. So just imagine if you have a dragon every single day, you're gonna get $100. So if you have that for 365 days in a year, you multiply that by 100, just imagine the amount of money you're gonna be making every single day. And that is absolutely huge. They have different milestones, and I love the way that they've developed their roadmap. Successfully they've done it at any huge successful NFT play to earn game that you look at. They have a roadmap which is unmatching, and I feel that Metamon GO has actually achieved that with their roadmap and their milestones. With the first and second and third and fourth and fifth and sixth milestone they've shown, they've clearly given a clear indication of what they're doing, how they're doing it, and how they're going to go about achieving all these elements. Then you have the Metamons themselves. You have the centers, you have the social interactions, you have the leading metaverse experience, then you have the journey to the metaverse. Every element that they've given is a clear indication to the users, to the future NFT buyers, of what they want to do, how they want to do it, and where they want to do it. And combining all of those elements together, they're able to create a strategy that is not only successful but also scalable. And having a project of this nature and the team that they've developed it, combining all those elements together, they're able to actually take it to the next level. So basically looking at the individuals that have been the main concept developers, from the project managers, lead developers, from the founders, from the artists, the web developer, and social media masters, all these individuals have a ton of experience, decades and decades of experience under their belt about what the NFT industry is about, what the gaming industry is about, what the play to earn game industry is about, what the crypto industry is about. And combining that knowledge and bringing it all together under one roof, they are able to successfully execute a project of this nature. And remember guys, if you're thinking of investing in any NFT, make sure that you understand the team that developed it, who these guys are, and why they are absolutely brilliant. You can join their Twitter and their Discord. And remember guys, the Discord is the place that you will get reliable information about any NFT, and this NFT in particular. So if you got any questions, you can head over to the Discord and ask them. You can also ask me those questions. You can comment in the comment section below on Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube, and I'll definitely reply back to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out about what Metamon GO is all about. So guys, stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.